course, another element of our investment decisions beyond just certainty is how do we deal with the rising costs of regulation. And, if you look at many industries, not just ours in healthcare, we have more and more government regulation on compliance. How do we monitor that? How do we make sure that we're marketing and promoting our products in an appropriate manner, following all the rules? Very soon, of course, everybody is going to be subject to this, the Sunshine Act, in terms of monitoring payments from industry to physicians. And this sucks up a lot of time and a lot of resources. And as companies, we've got to make sure we do all that properly, but then we still don't lose track of what we're trying to do, which is meeting unmet medical needs and innovating, bringing new products to market. Other examples of regulation, I think in the next couple of weeks we'll finally see a federal act on pharmaceutical tracking down to hopefully unit and pharmacy level. If this doesn't occur, then effectively the law of California will become the law of the land, where the California Act is due to come into force already by 2015. So all of us are investing already because we can't wait, because otherwise we wouldn't comply with the California Act. Then, of course, we heard examples this morning of increasing requirements, whether it be from FDA or regulatory agencies overseas, whether it comes to how these clinical trials are designed, what are the standards for good laboratory practice, and of course there isn't a week that goes by that we don't read about significant challenges for pharmaceutical manufacturers in particular, complying with all the FDA's regulations in terms of good manufacturing practice. In general, I take the view that many things that start in the pharmaceutical industry then move over to medical devices. And I think we're also seeing, in the vein of manufacturing inspections, increasing standards, increasing levels of observations also being delivered to medical device companies by FDA inspectors, and indeed also in Europe now in the aftermath of the PIP scandal. This was the case of industrial grade silicone being used in breast implants by a company in France. And so we're going to see tougher requirements coming through in CE marking.